Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen, easy and quick. First go for run and then type up data and go to local, scroll down until you find here Valorant, right click and delete, and then go up, you will find here right games. Do the same thing with this folder, right click and delete, and then just close it and try again. If that doesn't fix your problem, type apps and features. You have to reinstall Vanguard, so just type here Vanguard and uninstall it, and now just go back and open Valorant. It will reinstall it and maybe it will ask you to restart your PC, so just restart it after that. And now if that still doesn't fix your problem, now it might be from your performance, if your PC isn't that good and you have to boost your FPS or something like that. So now just click here and go for graphics settings, and then go browse, and now click you will go to Valorant file location and then go for Valorant live shooter game binaries Win64, and here you will find Valorant Win64 shipping. Click on it and click add. Scroll down, you will find it here, click on it and click options, and here you will find two options, power saving or high performance. Just choose high performance card, graphics card, save it, and now try again. If that still doesn't fix your problem, now there is some solutions to make your computer give you more performance. Like go to view advanced system settings and then performance, type click on settings and then hit on adjust for best performance, and I prefer to enable these three options, and you can just let all of them off if you want so, and then apply and OK. After that you can also right click here and go for NVIDIA control panel. Now you have to wait a few seconds, and here it is. Now go for wait, which one? I guess this one. Yeah, this one. Adjust the image settings with preview, and now once you're here, just click use this one, use my preference, and then make it more to performance, and then click apply, and after that I guess it will give you a lot more FPS, and I guess that might help you to fix that problem that makes you stuck on loading screen. And that's it. Now just try again, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.